Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you now how to revoke app permission automatically on your Android phone. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your settings. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and type permission right here. Permission, click on search. There's going to take you right here. So on getting here, next thing you need to do is to go to app permissions. Then go ahead and click on permission manager. Proceed to permission manager. Then you have all apps that have access to your phone right here, ranging from body sensor, calendar, call logs, camera, contact, files, health contact, location, etc. If you want to revoke any app from having access to your location right here, click on location. There you have them right here. So these are all apps that have access to your location right here. However, if you want to revoke any app from here from having access to your location, what you need to do is to click on the app and remove them. Let's say, for instance, I want to revoke Telegram from having access to my location. Click on the Telegram app, and this is going to pump up right here. Go ahead and click on Don't Allow. Once you click on Don't Allow, you can go back, and then once you're back, the Telegram will be removed right here. You can review as many as possible app right here and revoke the permission they have on any of your information on your phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.